Hi everyone, I'm Tyra from EBC Japan Bureau and I am an arts teacher. So today I will teach you how to create 1-minute crafts. For today we will have letter cutting. How can we cut our letters without using a ruler in just 1 minute? So come on, let's begin. I hope you've had fun with our letter cutting session for today. Join us again next time for another set of letters that we will be cutting out. Once again, this is tyra'nell pille-lou from EBC Japan Bureau. Until next time!
Thanks for watching. Give this video a like and leave a comment down below.
Make sure you subscribe to EBC Digital Nest and follow all our other social media platforms to see more content like this.